Hi all, good morning, good evening. So this is ARBP Cloud Technologies and we are here with our lecture number 3, lecture number 4 of Python course. So in the previous lecture, lecture number 3, we have covered the Python data types and Python numbers. So in this lecture, we will study of Python casting and Python strings. What is a Python casting? Specify a variable type. There may be a types when you there may be times when you want to specify a type of a variable. Uh, this is this is can be done with casting. Python is an object-oriented language, and as such, it uses classes to define data types, including its primitive types. Casting in Python is therefore done using constructor function. Integer constructs an integer number from an integer literal or float literal by removing all decimals or string literal, providing the string represents a whole number. Float constructs a float number from a integer literal to a float literal or a string literal, providing the string represents a float or an integer. String structs constructs a string from wide variety of data types including strings, integers, literal and floats literals. Examples are like this: integer bracket 1, x will be 1, y float 2.8, y will be 2.8, z is equals to string 3.1, then z will be in the quotes 3.0, means 0. One more thing I have to tell you about the new videos of Python will come from Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Please mark your calendars and be informed about the videos. So the all the practical of this will be done in next session. So I will just do the theory part in this session, in this lecture, and the next lecture, lecture number 5, I will do the practical part. So now we have Python string. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Hello is the name, same as hello. As I have told you in the previous lecture also, do like this quotation or do like this one. It's the same. You can display a string with the print function. Okay? By this function, you can display it. Print hello. It can be printed. Print hello. Both are the same only. Quotes inside quotes. You can use quotes inside the quotes y- like you can see here. This is the code to define the string one, this outer quote, this one, and this code is used for its for a grammatical. He is called Johnny. Okay, see here, this one quote, this till here is used for Johnny, and this is the defining for string. Okay, here you can do, but this also it will not show any error. Okay, it will not show any error. Assign a string. Okay, so here you can see assigning a string variable. Assigning a string to a variable is done by the variable name followed the string. Okay, like this. A, hello, print A, multi-line string. What is a multi-line string? A, see here, multi-line string. Let me show you. Oh, just a second. Yeah, on this. This is the multi-line string. Like, just what happened? See here. This is a multi-line string. Here in the first lecture, you can see I have explained about the multi-line string, how to use it, and I've shown you the practical also. Let me explain here also. Here you can see I have I have done three times double quotes, and to close it I have closed three times double quotes. So if you need to write multi-line string, not in single line, as we use one single quote for like this one for single line only, not for multi-line. And if I make it four times, sorry, three times, single one three times or double one, it will called as multi-line quotes. Strings are arrays. Like many other popular programming languages, strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode character. However, Python does not have a character data type. A string, okay. So this is the thing you need to remember here, okay? This is the thing you need to remember. So next we will have what is looping through a string. How can oh, second. Looping through the string. How can we use loop function for the string? Since strings are arrays, since string are arrays, we can loop through a character in a string with for loop. We have while loop and for loop also, but for this one we will use for loop. For example, we have for x in banana, print x. If x, if I have defined a variable above like x is a, if a is present in banana, then it will print a. Okay. Now check strings. We have one looping string this and check string. To check if a certain phrase or a character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in. That if a free, this like the we have example here. The best thing in the life are free. So free, if the free is present in this, we can use the statement of if it is present, so it will show, it will print that free in txt it is present. If it is not, it will not print txt. Best things the best things in the life are free. If free in txt print, we use both in and if both the statements together, then we will print free is present. Okay. So now check if not. To check if a certain phrase or a character is not present in a string, we can use keyword not in. For example, check expensive is not present in the following text. txt, we have defined a variable. The best thing in the life are free. Print if expensive not in text. So this is all we have done today. In the next class, we will study about the different types of strings. You can just see this one Python if you don't understand it. This one multi-line one, you can just view my first session which has been uploaded. So you can view and check check there, or if you don't understand you can comment below. I will give you a session dedicated for it to understand easily. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and thanks for watching our channel. Thank you.